Do you love the countdown feature for Instagram stories, but wish you could add an event reminder to a post on your Instagram feed? You're in luck. I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to add an event reminder to an Instagram post. Now let's get started. To add an event reminder to a post in your Instagram feed, start by creating the post as you normally would. You can do this with a photo or video feed post. When you get to the posting stage, tap Add Reminder to add your event to this post. Add a title for your event. Then choose the date and time your event is happening. If you like, you can also add an end time for your event. When you're finished, tap Done. Finally, go ahead and share your post. When people view your post, a notification icon with the date of your event will appear in the bottom left corner. If people tap this sticker, they can see information about your event and tap Remind Me to get reminder notifications about your event. They'll receive a notification 24 hours before your event begins, 15 minutes before your event begins, and at the start time of the event. If you need to edit an event reminder on a post after you've shared it, tap the three dots in the top right corner of the post. Then select Edit. Tap the name of your event to edit its details. Make any necessary changes to your event details or delete the event if needed. You can easily create additional posts with the same event reminder by choosing your existing event in the Add Reminder section when creating another post. That's all it takes to create a post with an event reminder on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.